Welcome to the Little Beading Closet. I'm Sherry. Thanks for joining me for today's tutorial. For this ring, we're going to need some 6mm Bicone crystals. I'm using Swarovski Fuchsia. I'll need a total of 3. They're so pretty. We're going to need the Miyuki half Tila beads. Today I'm going to use the 24 karat gold plated and some 4mm spacer beads. These rondelle spacers are encrusted with little rhinestones, and I will need a total of 4. I'm also going to be using about 4 of my size 15 seed beads. Begin with 4 of the rondelle spacers and 3 of your crystals on your needle, and then go ahead and bring that down near the end of the thread. Now I'm going to pick up 1 15, and then I'll begin picking up my Tila beads. I picked up 18 half Tila beads, and now I'm going to pick up 1 more 15 and come back through my rondelles and crystals here on the top of the band. Once through the rondelles and crystals, I'll go ahead and pull my needle through. And at this point, I will be picking up 1 more 15 and then needling back through the empty hole of my half Tilas. I needled back through the empty hole of my half Tila beads, and I'm going to pick up 1 more size 15 and come back through my beads on top. Be pulling both of these tight. Now I'll needle back around 1 more time until I reach this thread here. I needled back around my Tilas. I need to come through the 15 and then make sure everything is pulled tight, and I will knot my threads together. I'm giving it a very tight pull with your fingers or pliers. We're going to be knotting this together. The knot will kind of hide up there in the middle of the rondelle. Now that I put my knots in, I'm going to take the time to come back down through a 15 and a few of my half Tilas to pull my thread before I cut off my ends. So now I just need to switch my needle to the other thread and pull it down also. Quick, cute, and easy. A perfect way to use your favorite color of Bicone crystals.